Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know I have not been on YouTube in a very long time, like a few months, and it's driving me crazy. I want to get back and start doing videos again, so that is what I am doing. Basically, we're just going to be doing a get on ready with me. I don't even have any face makeup on. I have my brows kind of filled in, and then I just have mascara. But we're gonna get the small amount of makeup that we do have on our face off, or on my face off, and we're gonna use some of these lovely products. All the products we will be talking about today are from a brand called Mamonde. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is by this lovely brand right here. They make an amazing moisturizer. It looks like this, but the packaging looks like this, but it's just bigger. And this is the Floral Hydro eye gel cream, and the other one's just an all over moisturizer. They make a really good moisturizer. I used both of the ones I had two of them because I really love that moisturizer. I want another one. They did send me all of these products complimentary, but that's not gonna change my opinion on them. I don't know why I have to say that, but some people just don't be trusting people out here, so you know what I'm saying. So first, I'm actually gonna go in the bathroom and use this Petal Spa Oil to Foam cleanser, and it says the flower is rose, so I'm assuming it's gonna smell like a rose. I don't know. We'll find out. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm sorry for the way I look with no makeup. I'm ugly. It happens. Anyway, I just used the Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser. It really is like an oily consistency. It just feels like straight up oily, but once you add water to it and start rubbing it into your skin and whatever, it starts to foam up and it doesn't leave any oily feeling at all or anything like that, which I was kind of worried about, but I don't need to worry because I didn't do that. So next, I'm gonna spray some of this hydrating beauty water. Again, the scent is Rose, Flower Rose. I have two bottles here. This one they just sent me, and this one they sent me a while ago. And I poured this into my old MAC Prep and Prime spray bottle. So I just pour this stuff into here and I spray this all over my face to get it nice and moisturized and hydrated and whatever. This isn't really a toner per se. It doesn't say it is a toner, but I use it like it's a toner. I just kind of just spray it all over my face, get it nice and hydrated, and then we go to the next step, which is using this Petal Purifying Bubble Mask. It says you're supposed to use this after you tone, which is what I'm doing. And we just basically toned, even though it's not really technically a toner, but I use it as a toner anyway. So after toning, we use this. We wait a minute and then cushy micro bubbles will form. Then we massage with a bit of water and rinse off. So like, I guess as soon as it starts bubbling, I massage it with water and rinse it off. Okay. I'm just gonna use this little face mask brush here. Ooh, it feels cooling, I will say that. It does smell good. Oh my gosh, I can tell what it's doing, guys. It really is bubbling. That's kind of freaking me out. Look at the color difference between this side and this side. Yeah, this is just really bubbling up. Oh man, it's weird. I remember doing a bubble mask review a long while ago on my channel, and it kind of feels like how my skin felt whenever I tried out that bubble mask. It just feels like tingly, and I don't know, it just kind of tickles and feels like I need to itch my face. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is starting to feel crazy. My face is literally moving. Okay, so this has been on for about a minute and a half to 2 minutes. I'm gonna go rinse it off with lukewarm water, and then I will be right back. Just rinse that face mask off, and my skin feels so just clean and fresh, and I don't know, it just feels refreshed, and I really do like this mask. I just genuinely love face masks. I have a lot of face masks, and this is a wonderful addition to my collection. Now for the next step, this is not by the brand Mamonde or Mamond or whatever. It is by Curology. Yeah, I made a whole video about this guy right here. This is a lifesaver for people who have acne prone skin, or dark spots from acne, or spotting from acne, or just it's just for people that have acne, okay? Or not even skin tone, or you get what I'm trying to say, because I'm having a hard time. Anyway, you're supposed to put this on a dime size amount every single night. My skin used to be really not good, and compared to what it is now. And I'm so glad I tried this. I saw a bunch of videos, like commercials or ads about it on YouTube before YouTube videos would start. You know, you'd see these ads about Curology, and I was like, okay, whatever. I finally dived in and tried it, and I'm so glad I did, because it works. It genuinely works. No, this video is not sponsored by Curology or Mamonde. It's just getting unready with me / kind of reviewing this new brand's products. Well, it's new for me anyway. Next, we're gonna go into this Floral Hydro Eye Gel Cream, and the flower is Narcissus. Narcissus. I don't know. It says to dispense an appropriate amount and gently smooth around eye area for maximum hydration and absorption. So that's what we're gonna do. I do really miss recording, you guys. I've just I don't know, I've kind of just been hanging out with friends so much lately, and I don't know, my priorities are all mixed up right now, so I apologize for that. That feels really nice under my eyes and cooling. I feel clean right now. I feel clean. I feel good. But these lips are dry. These lips are dry. We are transitioning from warm weather to cold weather. My lips are shriveling up. They need some moisture. Okay, we are going to use this lip sleeping mask, and the flower is Plum Blossom. I have already used this. I haven't used the oil to foam cleanser, the Floral Hydro Eye Gel Cream, and the Petal Purifying Bubble Mask, but I have used this guy right here, this Hydrating Beauty Water, and this Lip Sleeping Mask before. I don't use it as a sleeping mask. I use it as just a regular lip balm, which you also can do. I haven't used it as a sleeping mask yet, but I'll let you guys know how that works. Maybe it works really nicely. I don't know. I'm just gonna put a nice layer, a nice thicker type layer on my lips so they can get a lot of moisture. And there we go. So that is pretty much it, you guys. That is me getting unready, ready for bed. I'm ready to just tie my hair up in a bun and go to sleep. Okay, I feel refreshed, I feel clean, and I thank Mamonde so much for sending me these products to test out, because I did find, like, all of these products I really do enjoy. I have been using this lip balm / sleeping mask for a while. I really love it. I think this Petal Purifying Bubble Mask feels really cool. It's a really nice face mask, and plus I love face masks, so you can never go wrong with another face mask, you know what I mean? And this foam cleanser was cool. The Hydrating Beauty Water was nice. Smells good. The eye gel cream felt really nice and moisturizing. And I'm just happy, okay? I'm happy with these products. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Anyway, I love you guys so much. And if you have stayed subscribed to me, even though I have been a bum and haven't been posting a lot lately, I really do appreciate it. And hopefully I'll see you guys all in my next video.